Hello students, we studied in the last online classes about the properties of electric charge, in which we studied three properties of electric charge. One is remaining. Now I am going to starting my lecture with the fourth properties of electric charge, which name is quantization of electric charge. What is the quantization of electric charge? When we explained it, firstly we read about quantized quantity. Quantized quantity. What is the quantized quantity? A quantity can have only discrete value, not all the values. So this quantity is called quantized quantity. What is meant by discrete value? In this discrete value, we can explain it by this theory. When two different bodies rubbed to each other, then one body remove the electron and other body collect the electron. Electrons are the numbers. Electrons are the numbers. It can in the form of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. But electron cannot be in the form of 1.2, 1.3, 2 upon 3, 5 upon 4, etc. This is the discrete value. This is not discrete value. So electric charge is a quantized quantity because it is have only discrete value, not the all values. When any quantity does have only discrete value, so this quantity is called quantized quantity. Here electric charge is also a quantized quantity in the whole world, whole the galaxy. The minimum charge can be possible 1.6 into 10 raised power minus 19 coulomb, which is the charge of electron. From this value, there is no minimum value exists in the whole galaxy. So electric charge is a quantized quantity. Then we can say that electric charge has a property of quantization. So we can find on the any object the value of charge by this property plus minus and E. This formula will help to us to find out the value of charge, to find out the numbers of electron on any object. This is the form of the quantization of the electric charge. Clear? Here it is established by quantization of electric charge is given by scientist Millikan. It is given by Millikan. This is the scientist name. When Millikan were doing their experiment, which name is oil drop experiment, that time he established the property of quantization of electric charge. Clear? This is the properties of electric charge. So I can explain one more time. Quantization of electric charge. Electric charge is also quantized quantity, because a quantized quantity can have only discrete value, not the all values. So we can say that electric charge is also a quantization property. In the whole world, the minimum value of charge can be possible as 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, which is the value of electric charge. Clear? The formula of quantization of electric charge can be possible as Q is equal to plus minus Ne. From this we can find out the value of electric charge and the number of electrons removed from the one object to another object. Here it is given by Millikan when he were doing their experiment, oil drop experiment, which are not in our syllabus. Clear? Next topic we studied. First we clear this formula with some examples. In which first question, how many electrons removed from one object when it is charged by 1 coulomb. Clear? Coulomb is the unit of the electric charge. It is the example of RBSC. Clear? Then what is given? Given that Q is equal to 1 coulomb. What is asked? Number of electrons. So we know that Q is equal to plus minus Ne. Here Q is equal to 1 coulomb plus minus N is asked, and electron minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. This is the value of charge of electron. Here minus can be plus 1 coulomb and 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Above equation can be write as. So the value of N is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Clear? Cancel coulomb to coulomb. When you sort out, its value is 6.25 into 10 power 80. These are the number of electrons which are removed from the one object. Clear? When this object is charged by